Hey guys, welcome back to my new vlog. So today is day 19th of my 30-day consistent vlogging challenge, and now I am in Darunta nursery. So let's see which customer come to nursery today and which plants they want. Today I will show you the different plants which are planted there in Darunta nursery in soil. 1 or 2 years ago we have planted that plants that I will show you today in this vlog. Hey guys, there is another customer in nursery. They also want Shami Patra plant. As Dussehra is nearer, so they all are planting. All customer are planting this Shami Patra plant. Guys, that customer has also purchased the Shami Patra plant. As Dussehra festival is there, so it is good to plant Shami Patra plant at your home at Dussehra. So that's why the all customers are purchasing the Shami Patra plant. So guys, let's see which plants we have planted. So here at the back side of a nursery, I have planted the papaya plant. I will show you. See, this is the water storage for our nursery. See this one. This one is papaya plant we have planted. I planted this plant 1.5 years ago. I planted this plant. Actually, I planted 3 papaya saplings, but only 2 of them survive. And this one, it's giving fruits now, and papaya is there now. And this one is also there. Actually, what happened, I did pruning of this plant, so now 3 branches is there, and also it's also flowering now, means papaya will be there soon. See this one, huge size papaya it is. This is Taiwan variety papaya plant. See this drumstick vegetable tree it is. We also pruned this one, so more branches are there and it will start giving drumsticks now. This one is badam plant. For shadow purpose we have planted this. We also have that ficus over there, black ficus. Here it is bamboo plant. We have 2 bamboo plants in our nursery. That is one bamboo plant, and one plant is here, this one. In this summer we prune all this bamboo plant from the bottom, but again the bamboo grown up. This is there. See, huge size bamboo plant it is. Here we have planted the Desi variety rose plant. See this one. Too much flowers are there. And this side we have planted this one is chameli plant. Chameli is there, kunda is there. These plants we have, these flowering plant creepers we have planted at the border of our nursery. This is compound of our nursery. We have planted this, and it went through all the compounds. Beautiful white flowers are there. See this one huge jamun plant. In English it is known as a Indian blackberry. See how huge this plant is. Actually what happened, the saplings of this Indian blackberry was kept over here, and we didn't plant it. It directly got the roots sprout out from the poly bag, and they went down, and this plant got planted over here. Now it has become huge. This Indian blackberry plant was not grafted. That's why this was of Desi variety. That's why it has not haven't started giving fruits. Within after 1 year it will start giving fruits. See, we have pruned it. I will show you. See, from here it was having branches over here, but we pruned it, so it has developed such shape. It is the best plant for shadow and for fruiting purpose also. See this one. This is mahogany plants. They got rooted over there. This is best for shadow, and we can also sell the wood of this plant in market. See this one. This is mahogany. See, we have this gulmohar plant, and this one Conocarpus plant. This is for best for shadow in summer season. It is best for shadow. Here we have planted this mahogany plant. This plant was planted 2 years ago, and 1 year ago we planted this plant. But now the height of both plants is same because that 2 year ago planted tree branches are there, and this one is going straight. That's why the it went too fast. It grown up too fast, and it's now equal. It's now of equal heights. See, this one is also mahogany plant. We have planted such type of mahogany plants inside our nursery for the shadow purpose. See this one. This is mahogany plant. This one is a passion flower. Here we have mangoes. Again, here we have mangoes and drumstick tree. This one is badam plant. See, this is the view of our nursery. Here also we have planted the mahogany plant. That one is hibiscus. That one is again mahogany plant. And I will show you bottle palm over there. See, in the front side of nursery we have planted this Ashoka plant. This one is here and one is there. There one white flower beside them. You can see that Ashoka plant, Ashoka tree. And at the front side of our nursery we have planted this bottle palm for show purpose. The bottle palm is best landscape plant. The bottle palm is that one. The bottle palm is best landscape plant. In each and every landscape you can see that plant easily. This one is mahogany. So friends, this was the few plants and the trees which we have planted in our Daronte nursery. Some are fruiting trees and some are just for the shadow purpose. So this was a small vlog in English language. If you like the vlog, do click the like button, and let's meet tomorrow in Japanese vlog. Till that time, bye bye.